Alrighty, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As I promised, I'd bring y'all more content for the truck. If anybody don't know what it is, 06 F350 6.0 Powerstroke and some little bolt-on stuff done to it. But I am going to be showing you the latest thing that I have done in my truck, which is a full from the turbo back. I think it's like a 3.5-4 inch down from the turbo, then it goes to 5 inch. But it's a 5 inch full straight piped Mbrp exhaust setup on my truck. My personal opinion is it's really worth the money. It looks good. I mean, who doesn't like a big exhaust on a diesel truck? I personally like it, which a lot of people say it's pointless and useless, which I mean it kind of is. It kind of is pointless, but it's cool to me, so I like it. But I will say the Mbrp kit is not the best kit you can buy. Everybody runs it, but I had issues with hanger placement, clamps, and I did not realize I'd have to cut the pipe. And cutting 5-inch exhaust is not the easiest thing to do. Luckily, I went to the shop, which is the shop that I work at, which me and my dad own it, and we have a big exhaust like wheel on a saw that cuts right through stuff. But if you're doing this at the house, you might be taking it to the exhaust shop or buying a big saw to cut this stuff, because it's by no means easy stuff to cut. So that's the only thing that I ran into. It was some of the clamps were no good. Like I had to get like smaller clamps because they would not clamp all the way. And then finally I just got on there with my 1/2 inch snap-on impact and just ugga-dugga them to death. And most of them clamp, they're just really thick, beefy clamps, and you're not going to tighten them with 3/8 unless you put like a pipe on the end of it. Most times you're going to need 1/2 inch stuff. Really recommend electric tools, and while you're at it, I've already done it once, but replace your turbo clamps where the exhaust comes up to the back housing of your turbo. Definitely recommend replacing those because them things get hot, heat cycled, rust. I mean, it is what it is. But besides that, straightforward install. I didn't film installing it because it was a last minute thing to do, and there's videos out there on how to install the exhaust systems, and you just be repeating yourself, or I'd just be repeating myself. But I am gonna give you my opinion, and once I get done talking, we're gonna jump to some GoPro footage that I got of outside the truck and a fresh cold start. I done a fresh cold start, I done some mild driving, I done one full throttle stomp, and then from a dead stop, and then I done a roll on like half throttle, like pull, and then that's pretty much it. It is loud, and I will say I did film it on the interior. I'm not sure how good the audio quality is going to be with my GoPro. It should be pretty good because it's the latest GoPro, but I will say it is very loud on the inside, especially for your passengers. I have had people say that it's very loud on the inside, so take that in consideration if you're have people in the back of your truck, you know, like little kids of your own or whoever it is. Just take that in consideration. I don't really usually have a lot of people riding in the back of my truck. The only thing that rides in here sometimes is my friends, and they think it's the coolest thing ever. But besides that, it is loud on the inside. You could probably sound in the truck to get it a little bit quieter, but I mean, at this point, it's a 6.0. Everybody knows 6.0 loud. I mean, they're loud at idle, so you ain't really messing up nothing. But I'm gonna crawl on the truck, show you the exhaust, and then we're gonna jump to I guess you could say sound clips. Yeah, so let me hop out of the truck and show you under the truck of the exhaust system and everything. So let me get out real quick. So right here is where your muffler, or not your, yeah, your muffler will go, and right here is where I had to cut to make it fit because it was too long for the tailpipe to meet here. So I had to cut that, and then there's how it bolts up. See, it necks down. This is your 5 inch, but see, it necks down, and then up here, I can't get an angle on it, but it necks down again going up into the truck. But that's it. That's the exhaust system. So yeah, that's pretty much it right there. hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Like I said, I'm bringing more truck content. I do got some modifications I want to do to the truck, but for right now, we're just going to be talking and me just going over stuff with the truck and stuff like that. So look forward to more truck content. I will be throwing in Mustang content in the midst of this and race car content. So it's about to get just a whole bunch of random different content, trying to, you know, get it to everybody. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I will see you in the next video.